the University of Georgia. A place filled with rich tradition, unique landmarks, and ambitious persons. While we can study the environment at Georgia on its own, today we are going directly into the lives of the residents at Yamasee. Yamasee Hall, located on the 4th floor of Brumby Hall, one of the many residential buildings at the University of Georgia. At first glance, we can tell that the lighting conditions are not optimal. Here, our camera crew observes a resident of Yamasee succumbing to the poor lighting conditions. This is a common sight in Yamasee. While attempting to study, residents typically fall prey to the primal urges of sleep. Due to this, the beds are seldom used. Unfortunately, our crew cannot capture any more footage due to disturbing the resident. This is Sakla Karya, a resident of Yamasee attempting to do homework. Naturally, he falls prey to another primal urge, hunger.
I should get something to eat. Who wants some food? I am.
As far as we can tell, the residents of Yamasee hunt for food in parks. Here we observe an outsider of Yamasee approaching a resident in his natural habitat.
Hey, I'm lost. Welcome.
Isn't that just lovely? Here our crew follows a pair from Yamasee up the Brumby Hill after returning from the gym. Unfortunately, our crew cannot follow the pair very long due to Yamasee residents having a trait known as Brumby butt. This concludes part 1 of our Yamasee study. Up next, we will study a smaller culture in Yamasee. We are going directly into the lives of the cockroaches of Yamasee.